So Tesla is finally putting their robotaxi on actual roads. Apple's apparently working on a phone that folds, and Meta decided your group chats needed an AI summary because apparently we can't handle reading our own messages anymore. Let's dig into what's actually happening here. Remember back in 2020 when Elon promised us fully autonomous robotaxis?
So we want, with autonomy, you get your time back. This is a very big deal. So it's not just it'll save lives, like a lot of lives, and prevent injuries. I think we'll see autonomous cars become 10 times safer than a human.
Yeah, well, it's 2025 and they're finally here. Sort of. In Austin only, with a human babysitter. Here's how it works. You open the app, a Model Y shows up, you get in, and there's literally a Tesla employee riding shotgun. They're not driving, but they're there, just in case things go sideways. The rides cost $4.20, and yes, that feels very intentional, but honestly, it feels more like you're paying to be a beta tester than getting a finished product. Some people are having smooth rides, others are reporting the car freaking out and slamming the brakes whenever it sees a police car, which, isn't exactly confidence-inspiring. The weird part, Tesla has been super secretive about the whole thing. They're blocking public records requests and calling everything confidential business information. Look, I get it, it's a new tech, but when you're putting people in cars without drivers, maybe transparency should be part of the deal. Apple's finally jumping into the foldable game, and according to the rumors, they're planning to launch their first foldable iPhone in 2026. We're talking about a 7.8-inch screen when it's open and a 5.5-inch cover display when it's closed. And brace yourself, a price tag somewhere between $2,000 and $2,500. $2,500 for a phone. Now, I'll be honest with you, if anyone can make foldables feel less like a gimmick and more like something you actually want, it's probably Apple. They have this weird ability to take existing tech and somehow make it feel revolutionary. Speaking of foldables, Samsung just announced their Galaxy Unpacked event for July 9th in Brooklyn. The tagline is Ultra Unfolds, which sounds like they're about to show Apple how it's really done. The rumor mill is saying we'll see the Z Fold 7, Z Flip 7, a new Galaxy Watch, and some new earbuds, and maybe even a VR headset they've been working on with Google. They've been in the foldable game longer than anyone, so it'll be interesting to see how they respond to Apple's inevitable entrance. You know that feeling when you come back to your group chat and there are 50 plus unread messages? Yeah, WhatsApp thinks AI should handle that for you now. They're rolling out this new feature called Chat Summaries. Basically, you can tap a button and Meta's AI will give you the highlights of everything you missed. No more scrolling through 6 memes and 12 good morning messages to figure out if anything important actually happened. Look, I get it. Group chats can be overwhelming, but part of me wonders if maybe we're outsourcing a little too much of our human interaction to AI. Like, are we really at the point where reading our friends' messages is too much work? Robotaxis with babysitters, $2,500 folding phones, and AI that reads your group chats for you. We're definitely living in the future, just not maybe the one we expected. What do you think? Worth the hype or worth the wait? Let me know and I will see you next week.